It's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol THLD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like a few weeks worth of time right here, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. So today was a very nice movement. The price has kind of just pulled back here and then steadied around right here along the pink line, which does make sense. That's the 200 period simple moving average. So good to see that the price did find support there, and then today, kind of finally woke back up and then made the nice move in the upwards direction. So like I said, let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk about areas of resistance. So first level of support, and really the one that you want to see, the bulls do their best to hold above, is going to be 47 cents. Reason for that is, if this move is truly strong, this is what I'm defining as the move, then you're going to want to see progress forward, right? You're going to want to see continuation. And continuation is not going back to where it was. I'm assuming I'm stating the obvious when I say that. And that's what 47 cents represents. If the price were to close below it or worse yet, separate to the downside, at that point in time, it's not really continuing anymore. It's going right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price heads down here, bounces around, and then heads back up. Well, at that point in time, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set down there. And then if you picture each one of those as stair steps, you have stair steps going in the upwards direction. So that's why, to me, I'm not going to call 47 cents, the do or die level or the must hold level. But yeah, if the price holds above it, that's going to be, the best sign that the bulls truly are getting continuation and are going to, just, continue on upwards. So 47, that, level of support. Now for the fun stuff, what about levels of resistance? So if this upwards move is going to continue, where's some potential battlegrounds at? Next key level of resistance, I'm not sure if the price hit it or not, was this former area of support. Yep, makes perfect sense. Right there at 53 cents. Foundational rule in charting is when levels of support are broken, they tend to act as resistance. And right here you can see 53 cents did indeed act as support for quite a bit until the price finally failed and fell below it right there. Now it's just acting as resistance. Not saying that 53 cents can't be broken or anything, just saying it makes sense why the price struggled right around there. After 53 cents, next key level of resistance up there at that point, which sits at 55 cents. So all in all, very nice day. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum next week? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend.